Hello everyone, this is Dr. Clark, the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. I want to talk a little bit today about potential other supplements you ought to take if you're considering bioidentical hormone replacement. So in general, I recommend everybody ought to take a multivitamin and extra vitamin D. And it's because I think it's a healthy thing to do. It wouldn't matter whether you're doing hormone replacement or not. But for anyone who is doing bioidentical hormone replacement, that's both males and females, should take a supplement called DIM or diindolylmethane. Diindolylmethane is the long name of it. We often refer to it as DIM, D-I-M. So diindolylmethane is what I'll call a phytonutrient or an herbal supplement. It's in cruciferous vegetables. That's where it's mainly found. So it's found in plants. Now, cruciferous vegetables, that's basically broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Those are the main ones. You'd have to eat a mountain of that stuff every single day to kind of get what you need. So I encourage people to take the supplement DIM, diindolylmethane, which you can find in nutritional stores. We've got it in our nutritional store. You can find it online. But DIM does a number of things to help you if you're doing bioidentical hormone replacement. So, and the main thing it does is it promotes a healthier breakdown or a healthier metabolism of the estrogen. So estrogen, specifically estradiol in humans, estrogen as it breaks down can go a number of different pathways. And again, this doesn't matter we're talking about males or females. Estrogen is still an important hormone, but the estrogen has to break down at some point. And as it breaks down, again, it can go along a number of different pathways. And some of these pathways are healthier than other pathways. For example, one of the pathways actually increases risk of both breast cancer and uterine cancer. So that we don't want it to go that direction. On the other hand, one of the pathways actually protects you from both breast cancer, uterine problems, and for men, it protects against prostate problems. So we'd like to try to direct the estrogen breakdown towards one of these healthier pathways. And so subsequently DIM helps promote a healthier breakdown of the estrogen. Now, DIM also does a number of other things. It tends to free up the bound testosterone, and it's the free testosterone that actually does the real job, the work out there. The bound, when I say bound, it's testosterone is often bound or connected to other proteins, and it's the free testosterone, though, that actually is the working hormone. So DIM, diindolylmethane, will help kind of release the testosterone from the bound hormone state. So you have more free testosterone. It also tends to make the pellets last longer. So for women, they'll typically get about 4 months out of the pellets. For men, a good 6 months out of the pellets. Everybody's a little bit different with that, but it does tend to make the pellets last longer. But I think the most important thing that DIM does is, again, promotes a healthier breakdown of the estrogen. And again, it goes a protective pathway. That's where we'd like it to go as the estrogen breaks down, and DIM helps direct it towards that healthier breakdown. So I encourage everyone that's considering bioidentical hormone replacement to take a supplement called DIM, diindolylmethane. Want to know more? Just give us a yell here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. The phone number 757-223-0940. We're located at 711 Brick Kiln Boulevard in Newport News, Virginia. Take care. You have a great day.